Hello everyone and welcome to HujiProductions. So today we're going to be looking at this, the Epson V600 photo scanner. And this scanner not only can scan photographs, so prints like this, it can also scan prints like this. It's an old black and white picture, but it also can scan negatives and also slides. So if you've got an old 35mm slide, you can scan that in as well. But I'll try and go through all of that process in a later video. So this is just a quick video to show you what you get when you buy one of these. So this is the V600 version. There's also a V550 version as well, which doesn't have this digital ICE technology, which is for reducing the effect or the appearance of dust and defects on slides and negatives, which works to a varying degree depending on what you're doing. So I'm going to find my knife and open this up, and then we can go through what you get when you buy one. Right, I found my knife. So I'm just going to open this up. It has been opened before, I've used it a lot, but I put it away in storage. So let's just quickly nip this open. Make sure I don't stick the knife through anything important. And put that away somewhere safe. So in the box you get right, let's untangle this. I don't know how wires always manage to tangle themselves up. Right, we have a power supply brick, which is particular to this Epson scanner. That's got a standard figure of 8 mains cable. So that's that part. And then tangled up in those wires is a USB lead to go from your PC to the scanner. So I'll put those to one side. Apologies for the squeaky polystyrene. Right, let's get these. It's got these blocks on the corner to protect it when it's in transit. Let's pull the scanner out and leaves the box to one side carefully. Okay, so in the bag we have the scanner, obviously, and some mounts for the negatives and slides, and a software disk. So you get the Epson Perfection V600 photo software disk with it, good old-fashioned CD, and you get quick start guide, I think, and some paperwork that we probably won't look at. You get a quick start guide telling you what you get in the package, and something that tells you to, quick start guide, so it tells you to put the disc in and connect it up with the software and try a print, I think. Anyway, that's not important right now. The important parts really are these photo mounts. So we've got negative holders and slide holders here. So, and we've got another one here. So this is for 120 format film. So this is for anything from your old box Brownie up to some fancy Hasselblad camera. And then this one is for slides and 35mm negatives. So let's see if I can hold that so it's a bit clearer. So the slides can go in here, so you can do up to 5 slides at once. And this has to be a certain way round in the scanner, and then if it's the other way round, then you're putting your 35mm slides, sorry, 35mm negatives in here, and these bits clamp down to hold it. There's a separate part here that clamps down on top of here to hold the negatives in place properly. Now what you can't do with either of these is to use them to scan in 126 format negatives or 110 format negatives. Now what I have got is a 3D printed holder for 126 films here. Let me just get that as a backing. So this is for 126 films, and I've not tried this yet, so it's going to be interesting to see if this works. But this was a 3D printed one. So put them to one side carefully, and then you've got the scanner. So you've got controls on the front here, and I'll go through these later. So this is, I think, the connect button, and you've got the on-off switch here, nothing on that side, and at the back you've got the USB connection, the power socket, and then you've got the cable that connects up from the main base, which has got all the motorized scanning and lighting for normal prints and documents, to the lid. Now the lid is the special part for negatives. So we open this up. You've got this slide-in white reflector for normal prints, and then in here you've got a light source, a sliding light source for scanning in the negatives. So this is the special part that makes it a negative scanner. And if I carefully hold this up, and rather than breaking it, if I try and hold that up, you'll see some of the mechanism. No, you just get reflections of the room. There's all the mechanism inside there, all the motors, and the part that scans along and takes in the image. So that is the Epson Perfection V600 photo scanner. Thank you for watching. We will go through the use of it in a future video.